Hello, how to solve for x and y in this simultaneous equation using the method of substitution. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 4x plus 7y is equal to 11. Solution. Then 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 1. 4x plus 7y is equal to 11. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. We want to make s the subject of the formula. 2s is equal to 5 minus 3y. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by 2. This divided by 2. These 2 will cancel these 2. S is equal to 5 minus 3y divided by 2. Let us call this equation 3. Now let's substitute for s in this equation 2. That is, we put equation 3 into equation 2. Then here we have equation 2 is 4s plus 7y is equal to 11. Then we have 4 bracket s in equation 3 is 5 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 7y is equal to 11. Then here, if you open the bracket, 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20, minus 4 multiplied by 3y, that is 12y, everything over 2 plus 7y is equal to 11. Now let's multiply all through by 2. If you multiply everything by 2, this equation becomes 20 minus 12y plus 7y multiplied by 2 is equal to 11 multiplied by 2. And here, this is divided by 2 and multiplied by 2. These 2 will cancel these 2. You have 20 minus 12y plus 7y multiplied by 2, that is 14y, is equal to 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. Then here we have 20 minus 12y plus 14y, that will be plus 2y is equal to 22. 2y is equal to 22. If you take this 20 to this side, it becomes minus 20. Then 2y is equal to 22 minus 20, that is 2. Let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. Y is equal to 1. This is the value of y. We've gotten the values of y. Let's solve for x. To solve for x, then from equation 2, that is 4x plus 7y is equal to 11. You may also make use of equation 1. Then we know that y is equal to 1. We have 4x plus 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 11. 4x is equal to 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. Here we have 11. If you take this plus 7 to this side, it becomes minus 7. 4s is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4. Then if you divide both sides by 4, this divided by 4, this cancel this, and this 4 cancel this, s is equal to 1. Also, if you make use of equation 1, let's assume you want to use equation 1, that is from equation 1, 2s plus 3y is equal to 5. This is 2s plus 3 bracket y is 1 is equal to 5. 2s plus 3 times 1, 3 is equal to 5. 2s is equal to 5 minus 3. 2s is equal to 2, and if you divide both sides by 2, s is equal to 1. Therefore, our final answer are s comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is equation 1. Then 4s plus 7y is equal to 11. This is our equation 2. Now let's consider this. When s is 1 and y is 1, we have 2 bracket 1 plus 3 bracket 1 must be equal to 5. 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 3 times 1, that is 3, must be equal to 5. 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to 5, which is true. Now let us consider this. 4 bracket 1 plus 7 bracket 1 must be equal to 11. 4 times 1, this is 4, plus 7 times 1, this is 7, must be equal to 11. Then 4 plus 7, this is 11, is equal to 11, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.